you. Every heartbeat calls your name.
11 taon ng saya, lungkot, at mga pagsubok. Pero heto tayo, patuloy pa rin pinipili yung isa't isa. Dahil ikaw yung katuwang ko sa bawat hakbang ng buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako kapag kailangan mo na makakausap, maiiyakan, at lalong-lalo na kapag hindi ka maintindihan ng mga tao.
So strong, it won't fade away. Like the sun that lights my day. No distance, no time can break us apart.
Bakit may ano, may CD?
Ha?
Bakit may CD?
Ano CD yan? Boat? Pakalo lang yan.
Ano niya yan? Ah! Oh, Reg. Ano yan?
Maliit yung vibrator mo dyan. Suklay na ako. Mas suklay.
Gag. Uy, ang tagal nyo na mag-friend.
Kami na ito. Kasi ano yung cake? Ha? Hotdog?
Your love's the only light I need. Through every storm, through every fight, you're the flame.
You're finally with someone who can support you in your life and who can give you the love you always deserve. That's all. I love you, Ma.
So strong, it won't fade away. Like the sun that lights my day.
Paano ba? From the moment you walk into my life, maraming nagbago sa buhay ko. Na nakilala kita, alam ko na nakita ng puso ko na ikaw yung magiging kasama ko sa buhay.
Sobra. Cheers! Para sa bagong kasal.
Cheers!
Madali lang ma-in love, but to stay in love and faithful hanggang sa dulo, it takes commitment. Hindi araw-araw ka mahal-mahal ang ating partner. Pero at the end of the day, pipiliin natin sila araw-araw.
The past behind, the road ahead, our hearts aligned and words unsaid. This is our time, our story to write, through every dawn and every night.
Kapis kayo. Uy, iiyak sila.
You and me this year, we'll take on the world. With love as our flag, our dreams unfurled. Through every
Alam ko na hindi magiging madali. May mga tampuhan, mga hindi pagkakasunduan. Sana sa huli, yung love mo, yung love natin sa isa't isa, yun yung sanang mangibabaw sa lahat ng pagsubok.
Each day a promise, each night a song, with you beside me.
Hindi ako magpa-promise kasi ang promise laging nababroken. Pero yung nasasabi ko lang is, kahit na anong mangyari, ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Ilang taon na rin tayong sinubukan ng ups and down natin, pero ikaw pa rin ang pinili ko.
Our story to write, through every dawn and every night. No matter what comes, no matter the fear, it's you
You are my heart, you are my home, and my forever. And today, I give you all of me for all my days till death do us part.
Patuloy tayong kakapit sa isa't isa. Magka-holding hands sa hirap at ginawa. Pupunuin natin ng pagmamahal at saya. Mahal kita. Alam mo yan. Love you most.
Through every low, together we'll bloom, together we'll grow. You and me this year, it's ours to create a love so strong, it's never too late. So here's to us, to what's to come, a journey of love that's just begun. You and me this year will rise under the stars beneath the